In John chapter 4, we find Jesus sitting at Jacob's well, and he sparks this conversation with this woman, and this woman basically turns to Jesus and says, "What in the world are you talking to me for? I am a Samaritan," and basically the Jews hate Samaritans, and I'm a woman, and the men of that day did not publicly speak to women that were not their wives and was not directly related to them. So what in the world are you talking to me for? Something I want you to understand about the gospel. The gospel tears down racial barriers. It absolutely destroys racial barriers, because when we understand that the Word of God is true and we're all direct descendants, every one of us are direct descendants from Adam and Eve. Therefore, we're all kin, we're all related, we're all created by God. And though God has designed different races, we're all the same. And in the same way, God has created man and God has created woman, and they're distinctly different, but God created them. So we love all humanity, knowing that they're all created and designed by our Creator. Therefore, we're all kin. Thank you for watching today. If this video was a blessing to you, then I encourage you to share it so other people can be blessed by the contents of this video as well. Also, I encourage you to go over to my website, rustykuhn.com. You'll see that right below. Where there you'll find a lot more videos as well as a lot more information about Rusty Kuhn Ministry and its vision. And I pray that it would continue to be a blessing to you as well. God bless.